Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. Today I'm back with another fun tutorial for Christmas. I'm sharing how you can create a budget-friendly wreath with just a few items from Dollar Tree. So let's get started. For this project, what you're going to need is one of the buffalo check fleece scarves. They have several patterns, so it doesn't have to be buffalo check, but I'm going to use that for my decor. An embroidery hoop. This I did not get at Dollar Tree, but I know you can get them pretty inexpensively in craft stores. Got some ribbon, twine, hot glue gun, scissors, this cute little belt ornament, and a couple of floral picks. Okay, I went ahead and cut off the fringe because we're not going to need that for this project. What I'm going to do is double up the scarf because it is kind of thin and I want it to be nice and thick around the hoop. Just basically all you have to do is just center the fabric on the hoop. And make sure that you have that stretched real nice and tight. And tighten it up. And once you have that where it looks pretty good, nice and taut, you can go ahead and grab your scissors and just cut the fabric around the hoop. It's all trimmed up, looks real nice and neat from the back as well. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it this way because I want this bracket to be hidden. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and put this one, attach this one first to hide that bracket. I'm going to do that by putting a little bit of glue along this edge. And I bent this a little bit, and then we're going to just attach it like that. And next I'm going to get this other pick that I found, and I'm going to trim a few of these off with some wire cutters. I'm going to start with the red in the background. What I'm going to do is just bend these a little bit. And go ahead and attach them here. And then I'm going to cascade the pine cones down like this. I'm going to push up the foliage a little bit. And I'm going to cut this down a little bit, bend it. It's going to go there. And then I'm going to do the same with this one here. I'm just piling them on there like that. And I'll put the last one right here. So I'm going to trim this one quite a bit. Right here. So I added a longer piece of twine so that I could have it kind of hang just right there. It wasn't quite long enough. I'm just going to trim up some of this fuzz off of there. And we have a cute little wreath like that. So to hang it, I'm going to use this ribbon. This is wired ribbon from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just going to cut a piece of that, kind of long. I just tacked it with glue right here so I can have a little band. And then I'm going to just do that right here, right in the center. Put glue underneath it there. And that's it. A really cute, small buffalo check, rustic style wreath from an embroidery hoop and some items from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you like this project and you give it a try and make it your own. So if you do like this project, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, talk to you later. Bye.